Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your speaker SONY ULT FIELD 7 available on your Android device? So, I already installed the application what Sony offer for the speakers, and if we open it, we can see supported devices. You need to click to plus to edit, then click at one of these buttons and go to troubleshooting. Now, right here at the top we have compatible models, so we need to tap on it. And right here we have models, and our is firstly we need to find speakers because this is a headphones and earbuds. So we just scroll down. Right here we have wireless speakers, and our model is ULT FIELD 7, so we need to find it also here. And right here we have this model, so my short answer is yes, it's available on your Android device. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!